Nowadays I'm hustling outside the box. From where I was, nigga, I'm better like I pull up my socks. As a man, you gotta be wise. You gotta think wide.
How are you there? Welcome back to Think Tank Online Learning. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a caster wheel using SolidWorks. So I'm using SolidWorks 2016. You can use any version of SolidWorks. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, just click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you don't miss our next videos. And if you are looking for other videos like this one, just go to Think Tank Online Learning and you're going to see a SolidWorks playlist, and I'm going to see a lot of videos. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to draw these parts individually, and I'm going to show you the fastest and the easiest way to assemble them. Okay, so I'm going to start with this bracket. So like always, we come here and new, and I'm going to select a part since I want to draw parts. Okay, so I have a link in the description. Click on that link and I'm going to get some step files. So you can edit the step files, right? So if I click here, okay, and I'm going to select my step file. I'm going to start with the bracket. Okay, so a step file, you can't edit a step file, but what you just want to do, just want to make this thing. So I'm going to convert its entities and bring it from the start, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to select the plane first. Okay, so I'm going to select this edge, control this, and I also need this one. Okay, and I also need this one, and I want to convert the entities. Okay, like what I've done here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this line, and I'm going to click on control, and I'm going to select this line again. I'm going to select this circle. Okay, I need this circle only. So the circle is right here. Okay, and this one. Okay, and after that, I'm going to click Control C for copying, and I come here on new file. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to select a plane, which is the front plane. Select sketch, and I'm going to click Control V, and as you can see, instead of drawing this from start, I now have this. Okay, this is what I have. Okay, so now come here to the normal. Okay, I want to rotate it, so I'm going to select everything like this, come to here, and I want to rotate the entities. Okay, so I have my two lines, the center of rotation. I'm going to click here, and I want to rotate it by 180 and click OK like this, and now I have this. Okay, but I want to draw a modified caster wheel. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some center lines here. Okay, add a center line here. Okay, like this. I'm going to add another one like this one. Right click. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I need to draw another line. I want to rotate it to make its wheel like it looks like a trolley. Okay, so I'm going to just click here and click OK. Now I'm going to smart dimension. I'm going to select this line and this line. After that, it's going to give me any angle, and I'm going to click on 30. Okay, like this. Okay, so now I need to rotate. I need to rotate my drawings to an angle of 30. So select this line, select this also, and select this, and we need to rotate those lines by an angle of 30. So come to rotate, and right here, click here, and this, we want this to be our origin. So I'm going to choose -30 right here and click enter. Okay, like this. Right, I cannot trim my entities. I don't think I no longer need these two lines. Okay, Okay, then click OK. Now what I need to do, I'm going to select the line command, come here and draw a straight line. Okay, and I want it to be directly here. Now what I need to do, I need to zoom in a little bit. Okay, and I need to select this circle, control, select this line. There's going to be a pop-up and I'm going to click on make tangent, right? And I'm going to do and click OK here. Going to do the same here. Click this line, click this circle, and on the pop-up, going to click on make tangent. Okay. And now what you need to do, we need to click on features, extrude boss. And if you don't have this on your, if you have this on taskbar, what you can just do, you go to the tools and then click on standard views. Okay, so now I want to extrude this and I also want to extrude this with a distance of 10, and then I'm going to choose blind and I'm going to extrude it like this. So as you can see, and now we have this. Now if you select this plane, come to the front plane, sketch, right? Select this plane, I'm going to sketch right here, and I'm going to click on my normal so that I can see everything. Come here. Okay, now I need to draw a rectangle. So this is the rectangle, but not this one. I need to select the center. So come here and click on the corner rectangle. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to leave it here and I'm going to click OK. And now this rectangle's dimensions, go to smart dimensions, click here. We need 35 right here. So I'm going to write 35 and you press enter. Okay, so now click OK. What do we need? We need to add some fillets. Okay, in my fillets should have a radius of 12. So I'm going to just click 12 and press enter. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this line and this line and click enter. This line and this line, you click enter. Okay, now let's close the fillet. Now we need to add some holes right here. So 5 here, that's 5 and click enter. Come here, 5 and you click enter. We're going to click OK. Okay, so here's something like this. And now we need to extrude. Got features, extrude boss base. And I need it to go upwards. Okay, so my direction is good. If you have direction is in the opposite direction, just click on these arrows. And I need it to have to extrude it by 10. Okay, so I'm just going to click OK. So we're left with something here. If you go to the full assembled, remember we have a rib here. So we need to draw that rib. To add the rib, I want to select this plane. Okay, so let us go to the front plane. And if we select this, you can sketch on right directly on this plane. And I'm going to select normal. Okay, now check my pencil. I'm looking for a midpoint. So this is the midpoint that I want. So I'm just going to draw a line here and click escape. Okay, now I have this line. Go to smart dimensions. And I need this line to have a length of 30 millimeters. So I want it to have 13 and click enter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this line, right, left click on it, and I'm going to go to offset entities, and I need it to be bidirectional on both sides, and the distance I need that to be 2,5 and click enter. Okay, like this one. And now I don't need the middle line. Click enter on trim entities. It's now gone. And now I need to finish a rectangle here. So now click OK here. Select the line mode again from here to here, and I'm going to click OK. Now it's time extrude. Go to the features, extrude boss base, and I need this to have a height of 3, so I'm just going to click 3. Okay, and click in my direction. It's okay. In the type of the extrude that I'm choosing blind, so it's going to be good, right? Okay, now I'm done here, and now we need this plane, right? Select this plane. We're going to sketch, right direction on it, go to sketch, and we need a line here. Okay, but I think it's wise to just select a rectangle mode here, the rectangle. So now I'm going to select this corner of the rectangle and just select it right here. We'll fix it in smart dimensions. So go to smart dimensions. I need this to have a height of 26.86. So 26.86. Click OK. And this I need it to have 5. So 5 and click enter. Okay, and now we need to extrude it. So on features, extrude boss base, and our direction is good. And direction is going to be 3 again. Okay, like this. Okay, now let's go to our, so as you can see here, we have a rib. So this is the rib. Now I want to add a rib to our bracket. So to add a rib to our bracket, just going to select this plane and select on sketch. Okay, and go to normal right here. Okay, so now select your pencil. So I'm going to select this corner point and this corner point, right? And click escape. And if we do that, okay, let's make it right. Change his faces so that you can see everything that you want to see. Okay, so now if you have something like this, if we select this and go to features, we're going to see the mode for rib, which is right here. Okay, so now let me rotate it. So as you can see, this is the rib and the direction of the rib is going outward. I need it to go inward. So I'm going to flip material. As you can see, it's now going on the opposite direction. So let's change it. Yes, it's now going inside, and you just need it to be on the left side. So I'm going to click here on the left side, and the distance you want it to be 5. So come here and click 5 and click enter and click OK. Wait for it to process, and now we have everything we need. Okay, so on the bracket, if you look at our assembly right here, you're going to see that we have a small extruded space, which is this one. Okay, so we have to put that one. Okay, so let's go here and select the surface. We're going to click sketch. Okay, so now put the normal and select circle mode. Okay, so this one is a radius of 20, and going to put the second circle. Okay, and click OK, and we need to extrude. Okay, so just extrude by a distance of 2. I think 2 is just fine. Okay, so as you can see, it's now good. We can now save our brackets. Okay, and don't forget to draw the other one. Just repeat the same process, but in this case, the variable and this base plate is going to be on the opposite side.